Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. First of all, watch this tutorial and crop object, link in description box. Right-click and click on Flip Horizontal. Select Shadow Layer and click on Layer Mask. Select Brush Tool. Right-click and change Hardness 0% and size 250 pixels. Decrease opacity around 60%. Now erase shadow corner. Hold down Ctrl and select both layers. Create group. Select Ellipse tool and follow the process. Right-click and click on Perspective. Select Ellipse tool and change ellipse color. Click on View and New Guide Layout. Columns and row number 3 and press OK. Now adjust your image on guide. Select Ellipse tool and add stroke. Stroke 8 pixels. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. Pick Color and press OK. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font name Acumen Variable Concept. Font style Semicondensed Ultra Black. Font size 200 point. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font name just Signature. Font size 100 point. Select Bag Text and change color. Hold down Ctrl and select both layers and move it down. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font style bold. Font size 36 point. You can place your logo here. Hold down Alt and drag it for make duplicate. Change font style bold to medium. Click on File and Place Embedded. Select Tag and click on Place. Right-click and flip horizontal. Right-click and click on Rasterize Layer. Create duplicate. Hide the upper tag layer. Select Magic Eraser tool and click on Tag. Now select Eraser tool and click. Hide lower layer and unhide upper layer. Select again Magic Eraser tool and erase. Unhide layer. Click on Layer Style and Color Overlay. Select lower tag layer and click on Layer Style and Color Overlay. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font style bold. Change color. Hold down Alt and drag it down for create duplicate. Hold down Ctrl and click here. Create group. Hold down Shift and click here. Press Ctrl plus G for create group. Move down the tag layer. Click on View and Clear Guides. This is the final result. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.